value error. Now let me check an example with the value error. Example number 3. Try marks equals to integer of input of exam marks. Except type error, print of type error occurs. Except value error, print of wrong value. So when you run it, the first line will be exam marks. When you randomly type XYZ and then press the enter button, you will get value error, which is a wrong value. Look at here, under try condition we have the real statement. This is the real statement. Real statement always comes under try condition. And then I passed two different values, type error, value error. Now when you run this program, your first line will be exam marks, exam marks. It is because of this input function, exam marks. So when you randomly plug in XYZ and then press the enter button, you will get value error, wrong value, value error here. Look at here, what we mean by the value error. If you put something else other than the integer, look at here, it is integer, integer. If you put integer, it won't be an issue. But if you put something else, like we put variables, XYZ, it is not the integer, they are not integers. Value error is satisfied here in the next choice. So you will get the value error with a statement wrong value here because of this print function. Look, under try condition we have the real statement and then we have type error and value error. So when you run the program, the first line will be exam marks, exam marks. So for the exam marks, if you put integer, it won't be a problem because it has been specified that integer of input, you have to put integer. You have to put integer here. But if you put something else other than the integer, you will get a value error, which means that you are not putting the right value. You are not putting the right value, which is actually the integer. Look, this is variable. X, Y, Z are variables. So when you plug in X, Y, Z and then press the enter button, you will get value error. Value error is here, which is the second choice. And also with the print statement, wrong value, wrong value. So the program automatically jumps to the next choice. It will skip the first choice because it is not the type error, it is a value error.